We're going to go over a neat feature. It's called Designate, basically your center of your map. And so what you're going to do is, let's go back up to the top toolbar or your action bar. Let's go over to your overflow menu. Once again, go down to settings. All right, go to display preferences. And then basic unit display settings. And then if you come down probably about 6 places, you're going to see designate the map center. And there you're going to get a check mark. Then what I want you to do is hit your back button until you come out to your map, and you're going to see something different. If you notice, there's a crosshair on your map, but I want you to notice down in your lower left-hand corner, you have coordinates now. And the great thing about this designate the center is wherever you go or rotate this designation, your center designation, your crosshairs over, it is giving you your coordinate for that exact location. So that is a great feature to quickly get coordinates if you need that and send to somebody. Now, here's something to know about ATAK. Long presses mean one thing, short presses mean another, and you can do the same function in ATAK 2 to 3 to 4 different ways. So once you get really familiar with ATAK, you're just going to really set up your own rhythm on how that flows. But I'm going to show you at the top, we're going to go over to the plugin Overlays Manager, what looks like 3 papers stacked on each other. We're going to open that up. And then what I want you to do, we're not going to mess with all this other stuff. We're going to flow down. And I want you to look at basically your other overlays. And when I click on that, you notice at the very top, the eye is colored in, and that's your center designation. If you click on that, it puts a line through it, and now it turns it off. So that is a real simple way to turn your center designator on and off. I'm going to take this opportunity to come out one, and I'm going to talk about the overflow menu and what these icons mean. So if you notice at the very top where the eye is fully colored in with the iris, that means that section and all subsections under that are turned on and you can see them. If you go down one spot where it says the shapes, you see the eye, but the iris isn't colored in. So what that means is if you could have 100, 200 points under there, you could have 199 points on and one turned off, and that iris will not be colored in. So it's just a quick visual cue to show you that you have either all your labels turned on in that section, or you have something that's turned off. And then if you rotate on down one more, you see where there's a slash through the eye. What that means is all that information in that category is completely turned off.